Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going over a DNS High Kneeling Position. Okay, so this exercise will be great for kind of activating all the glute muscles, activating the quads, and then activating our adductors, so kind of the inside part of our thigh here. Great for some low back, glute, hip, or even some knee issues. Okay, so what we'll do here to start, you can grab a chair, a table, kind of anything. This is just going to be kind of your counterbalance to help so you can hold on to it. Okay, we're going to start by coming up into a high kneeling position. Okay, so you're on your knees, feet are kind of closer together than your knees would be. Okay, so not kind of extended out, but feet are a little bit closer, just in a neutral position. Then what I want you to think about is shoulders, hips, and knees all in one straight line, kind of on top of each other. Okay, so we're not kind of flexing forward, we're not arching that low back. Okay, so everything is nice and neutral. What this is going to do is just kind of activate and integrate all these muscles. Okay, so from here, what we're gonna do is, again, you can hold onto this chair if you feel like you need to, just not yet. So we're gonna open that leg up into a flexed and externally rotated position. What that means is you're just coming up, okay, stepping that foot forward, okay? This should be at about 90 degrees, okay? Looking at it from the front here, so we're flexing it, but we're also externally rotating that hip just a little bit, okay? So again, flexed, externally rotated, placing that foot flat on the ground. Okay, so from here, this is kind of the leg that we're going to be working as we're doing this. So I really want you to think about that straight line. So shoulder, hip, knee. So kind of driving those hips slightly forward, feeling some activation already in these glutes. These glutes should already be turned on. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to lean forward and grab onto that chair. Okay, so keeping this foot flat. Again, remembering that this is the leg that we're working. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna sit your hips back towards this back ankle. So you're shooting back, keeping this nice neutral torso, breathing into your belly as you're doing this, keeping that chin tucked. Okay, so we're not looking down, we're not looking up. Nice neutral position, sitting nice and tall here, and then sitting that hip back as far as you can. Again, holding onto this chair if you need to, and coming back up to standing, or to the high kneeling position. Shooting back nice and slow, back towards this ankle, and then back up. So as we're doing this, what you should feel, kind of as you're going down, you should feel a stretch and an activation of kind of the inside of your thigh here, as well as the glute as you're coming back up. So again, kind of stretching back. So we're loading the inside of our leg here, and then driving back up to the top, feeling that activation in the glute. Okay, sitting up nice and tall. Again, working on doing this nice and slow, breathing as you do it. Do fewer reps if you feel like your form is a little bit, needs some work, and then you can just kind of build on that as we go.